Today, I decided to work on the Elegoo Super Starter Kit thermometer, and I have all my wires set up. It looks like a mess right now. I have my display, my control knob, which it basically just gives life to my display. You turn it either direction. This is our thermistor, which is getting the reading. So, for instance, I'll show you if I touch it, the readings will be different. I have my wires. I have all of them going to my Elegoo Uno R3 board. You can tell my blue wires are connecting to 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. Then I have my power, my 5 volt. That goes to this. And I'm going to show you really quick how this thing works. I got my 2 rows with my Celsius and Fahrenheit, and I'll show you how I do my... Okay, so this is it running. And for some reason this happens. I don't know why. I don't know what happened in my code that caused that. But if I unplug it, restart it, as you can tell, we have the Celsius and the Fahrenheit on either line, which was the goal of this assignment. And thermistor. See, I don't know why it does that. You're gonna have to tell me why. But yeah, so I did get it to work partially. And yeah, there we go, Celsius and Fahrenheit. So I included my liquid crystal.h library. I initialized the various pins that you can see there. My display is connected to pins 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which I already told you. And those are right here are the corresponding pins on the display. So those are all set up. My void setup, literally, so there's barely anything in it. I just have my beacon function to basically start the process. And where it really starts to get interesting is in the void loop section. So, as you can see, we have INT temp reading is equal to analog read temp pin, which is just the pin on my thermistor. Then we have some values. As you can see, we have our float. Temperature in Celsius is equal to temperature in Kelvin. Mine is 273.15. This is just converting Kelvin to Celsius. There was some other conversions down below, but I got rid of those because just to make this look easier, seem easier to look at. We have our float temperature Fahrenheit, which is equal to temperature Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. This is just converting our above value to Fahrenheit. And the part that I actually modified in order to get my first and second row going, as you can tell on the right side where I'm pointing, we have our first row, our second row. And let's go over this code. So lcd.setCursor00, that is the first row. Down here, lcd.setCursor, I figured out that by setting this to 0, 1, I could get code on the second line, or second row. And then, as you can tell, the lcd.print updates and clears the display. Then the lcd.setCursor at 12.0 locates our degree symbol. And this whole top row is basically already given. I just basically took this, added my second row, and said that this was going to be my temperature in Fahrenheit. And that was basically it. Thank you.